All right, guys, we are here with Gabe Cruz.
What's up, guys?
And he has a challenge. You know, you used to challenge us to this all the time.
I did.
And now it's gone full circle.
Yeah.
It's coming back at you. Walmart Skateboard Challenge.
It's like an ex-girlfriend that you just thought you'd never see again, but the karma's coming back.
And you just may fall in love again.
You know, maybe the love never went away.
Okay, maybe it didn't.
What am I
said,
talking about?
Walmart board challenge? Easy. I'll triple flip it.
I might. So you're gonna challenge me to some tricks today?
We're gonna give you 10 tricks. I don't know, do we do a warm up and then 10 tricks, or do we do a couple tricks as part of the warm up?
Well, given I just landed a trick that took a lot out of me and I've been sitting for the last 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Let me get like 1 or 2, maybe 3.
Okay, do 3 warm-ups.
Right.
Okay, I'll even call it the warm-ups.
You can
ollie.
call. Okay.
Give me an ollie.
You know what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna land this ollie, get wheel bite, and then fall forward.
True. The trucks are extra loose and it's extra hot. Okay.
Okay, see, there's just a balance that you have on these that you only get by skating them for a long time. You saw that right there. You saw it.
I was like, okay, he's gonna absolutely destroy
I might
this.
land, you know, if I land every trick first try, what do you give me?
I will go to the club with you and Derek, and I will go to every girl in the club, and I will stanky leg.
Dang. I don't even go to the club anymore, AK.
You will.
I will
Front
for
side
this.
180.
Oh, okay, that one's a tough one.
These are warm up. This is not part of the 10.
Okay.
How is that a tough one?
I mean, to land and not wheel bite.
Because the wheels have to roll. Okay.
Front 3.
Front 3, first try.
It's so hot here too, if I revert this, it will flat spot the wheels.
It's true.
Yeah.
And it doesn't really matter if you flat spot the wheels because they don't roll anyway.
Zoom in on this dude, look at this.
They forgot that wheels are supposed to be made out of urethane. They made them out of plastic.
How much was this board, Aaron?
I think it was $8.
Okay.
So, you know?
Spoiler alert for the Costco board. That one was $40. Spoiler.
$40 is not bad.
All right, you know what? I'm good. I think we can just go.
Okay, first trick, kickflip.
Okay. I might not have been good to go, but I just wanted to kickflip it, so I figured you were gonna call that one first. Holy mother. No, it feels good though. Honestly, there's worse Walmart boards, you know?
Yeah, so the Mad Gear is on fleek.
Oh shoot.
Wow.
That thing is a piece of wood.
Before we started, he said, sure, I'll triple flip it. First try.
Mad Gear Australia.
Let's go, Australia. Oh! Do you realize that girl that we filmed at the vert ramp? She literally won the gold medal.
Are you surprised?
No.
Me neither.
I'm not surprised in the slightest, but
No,
I was like,
you know,
we made a video with an Olympic gold medalist.
No, when I saw Arissa won, I was like, I filmed that.
Yeah.
I filmed that when she was here.
That's right.
That will go down in history as being pretty special. That's cool.
And then, of course, in 2028, of course, JD will win the gold, and we'll have that too.
Yeah, I know. I've been keeping track of all of his Olympic qualifying events. I've been telling Jules about it, who, for those of you who do not know, is my fiance. And I've just been telling her all about the traveling. He's in Japan, he was in Canada. Wasn't he in, where else did he go?
I don't know, but the kid's on fire.
He's all over the place.
He's gonna win.
And he's just incredible at skating, and he's just getting started. So I keep telling her his chances of going to the Olympics and winning in 2028 are
100%.
Yeah, they're
just like that kickflip. Dang, girl! That's looking fire! Okay, and now I'm gonna be really mean. Trick number 2, heel flip.
Oh.
You didn't expect that?
You think this is me, AK? You think I'm you? You think I can't land a heel flip?
You see that? He's talking dirt already. Yeah, I do.
Dude, the hardest part is getting the speed and maintaining the speed.
You don't need to do it rolling.
Oh, yeah.
Said that was a parameter. Yep. No.
One more.
No.
One more.
You are not doing that again.
I am. You can high five me, but I'm doing it again.
You are not doing that again.
Oh, shoot.
Bro, you landed it. Move on.
I can't.
Move on.
It wasn't good.
Leave yourself with some dignity and respect.
My dignity and respect was thrown out of the window years ago.
Wow. Okay. I stand corrected.
All right.
Move aside, Neen Williams.
Okay.
We got a new heel flipper in town.
Let me guess.
Burial flip.
Yep, I was gonna say.
Straight out of Compton, a crazy mother named Gabe Cruz.
Dang, it has a ring to it.
Yeah, it does. Dang, I thought for sure you had that first tee.
No, because I'm used to some pop on my varial flips, you know?
I know what we need.
I don't like the little ones that just kind of move like that. I like the responsive ones. Fork.
Varial flip god still got him.
This is harder than it looks.
Yes! Yes! Normally I'd say take that, but not for the gram. You can't be having Black Ninja. What is Black Ninja gonna say?
Oh!
Are you up on your Gen Z lingo, Gabe?
Yeah, skibbity.
Skibbity. Yeah, that was a literal thing that I was thinking of in my head. Give yourself a break, brother. It is 300,000 degrees out here today. You're gonna have to eat some more calories today.
Just give me one for the fun time.
No way.
Yeah, can that be one of them?
Yeah. Okay, that trick number 3 was varial flip. You wanna do it again?
Just let me land this first.
What?
The nightmare.
Okay, number 4, nightmare flip.
That one, if I can land a good nightmare, I forget the varial.
Okay, deal. I'm in. Dang. You skibbity toilet that.
Oh my.
I cannot figure out what that means. I've looked it up like 5 times. Wow.
Does that look good?
It looks good.
Feels pretty good, I'll be honest.
The landing just doesn't roll away because those friggin' bearings. Wow.
God dang, it's hot.
God dang it, Cruz. Yes, sir. First try.
Come on. The bearings are getting, or
Worse?
the bushings are getting worse too.
Yeah. There it is.
Oh,
There it is.
Dude, it's barely rolling anymore.
Trick number 4.
I don't think I could take that.
Yeah, you absolutely can take it. Maybe you forgot this is a Walmart board.
Yeah, but we've been skating them for so long, I have high expectations.
Yeah, but it's 100 degrees out here in Napa. Hold on, let me actually count the flips on this bad boy. 1, 2, oh yeah, it's double. We've been skating them for so long. I have high expectations.
Okay, 4 down.
Kick flip, heel flip, varial double flip.
The varial and the varial double flip were just so controversial that I don't even know if they count as 3 and 4, but there's a margin for error because of the heat, so we're taking them, right?
And the Mad Gear Australia. Shout out Australia.
That's true. All right, 4 down, 6 to go.
You know what I want to see now? Half cab flip.
Half cab flip, okay.
That might be hard.
You think, can we get, so
'Cause it
you're thinking
doesn't
half
roll.
cab flip, tray flip maybe?
Yeah.
Double kick flip, are those
Yeah.
3 okay? And then
Yeah.
we need 3 more?
Yeah. Sorry. That was
That's
hella
good.
funny. Yeah,
There you
that
go.
was it. There you go. Now you're feeling good.
Oh,
now
yeah.
you're in there. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Absolutely. That's trick 5 down. Give me a double flip.
All right,
Yeah.
double flip manual this thing.
Bonus points. Let's go. Trick number 6. Okay, tray flip next.
Yeah, let me chill for a
Yeah,
second.
you gotta get the water.
All right, tray flip. Me, tray flips in this channel have a long history.
It's true. Yeah, that's true.
Holy shit, that's the hardest trick so far.
Really?
Yeah, easily.
Yeah, I was wondering. You
'Cause
said
the-
tray flip, and I was like, that might be hard.
Because you need to scoop, and it's just like the trucks give too much.
Yeah, maybe we tighten them up. Should we tighten it?
I don't know, just getting tired. I'm like shaky. Ugh.
Hold up. Yeah, what do we got left? Maybe you save the tray. Do
So you
okay.
have 3, right? 7, 8, or
Do switch front shove. Why? Because it doesn't roll? I mean, they're literally like shaking loose. Day one song style. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
better?
Oh yeah. Now you're golden oldies.
All right. I think I just kind of forgot how to tray flip.
Yeah. Lean back on it. Wow. That was it. I feel like if it was on your normal board, you would have just landed it.
Yeah, I think so. The wheels are so hot, they're just kind of stopping
Melting into
on the
the
scoop.
ocean.
All right, right here. This is gonna be a good one.
No! How in the world did you not land that?
All I could think about was Gandalf.
Yeah, that's why you landed.
Next time I want to do a today I relearned tray revert with you.
Okay.
Ah! Why is this so, this is the hardest trick. This is harder than the nightmare flip.
Yeah, it's because you have to scoop it.
My thoughts are like, I'm trying to remember the lines.
Battling the inner demon.
I'm trying to remember the line that Gandalf says in the movie. I just remember the random back injury I got last year that prevented me from skating or doing pretty much anything. My mind is all over the place. So.
Yes!
Sorry. Sorry.
Wow! Wow!
Close enough.
Okay, that was 8. 2 more. That was good.
That was 7, I thought.
Wait, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was 7. 3 more. 8, 9, 10. Do not try it again. There's one rule on the Walmart board. When you land, you take it. You just take
I took it.
Get out of there.
I took it.
Oh. Does that hurt?
No. All right, so we need 3 more.
Yeah.
Let me do ollie body varial.
Yeah. Ollie body varial.
Ollie body varial.
Yeah, do ollie body varial, shove revert,
Okay.
and then
Try triple.
yeah.
All right, I got you.
And if we don't get the triple, we'll change it to something else.
Oh,
A little more. I mean, I could not triple
it's not
right
if,
now.
it's when I get the
Save
triple.
my. Yes, sir. Okay, number 8, ollie body varial. Now shove it revert.
Yep.
This one is straight for the love.
Hey, quick hiatus.
You need to drink some water.
Yeah.
There's no sunshine when she's gone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Triple on flat in the shade. No movement.
Okay.
First try. Triple flip, smoothie. Holy.
Oh, I don't know, man. All
Yeah,
right.
I think triple flip is too hard.
It's too hard?
Yeah.
You think it's too hard, huh?
I think you should disco
think
flip.
it's too hard?
Yeah.
I think I can't do it, huh?
Yeah. I think you can't do
I
it.
think I can't do the damn triple
think
flip,
you-
okay?
I think you disco flip.
You know what? He's doubting me. Thinks I can't do the triple flip. My middle name is Triple Flip. Watch this. Yeah, I can't do it.
Dude, it's hard out here. Okay, let me see.
Yeah, no, I just, the flick is, it's not feeling right now.
What keeps happening is you flick and then you're hitting the board with your front foot on the way back up.
Yeah.
Every time. Oh my God, that was good.
Oh!
Shooting it right in the winner. Holy, that was good. Wow.
Oh, well done, fellas. Good teamwork. Oh, that's it for me. I'm waving the white flag.
That was good, you killed it.
Oh, yes. Oh my
Get
goodness.
this thumbnail right here.
That was a good disco flip, dude.
That was really good.
Oh, give it here, brother.
Yes!
Derek, thank you for filming, man. Everyone, thank you for watching. Time to go home, take a cold bath after this smoothie.
Yeah, please. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. We hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we hope you are getting out there and having a blast learning how to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.